Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a wet head and I'm going to be using my new dryer hood here, and this is by Glow by Day. I got it off of Amazon. I will link it below. This attaches to just your regular hair dryer. I have my Revlon Ionic Ceramic 1875 watt hair dryer. It's got this little stretchy cord here at the end, and you just slip that on your hair dryer over the barrel, and this fits very snug. I have not had any issues with it coming off. So I will lay that down, and then now is the fun part. You have to really work all your hair into the hood. Get all your hair into the bag or the cap. Cinch it up. You'll take your little straps, grab it on sideways. Get all my little hairs in there. Cinch it in a little bit tighter. Hook the straps underneath my chin. This can get really hot on your head, so I usually stick between cool and warm, just depending on how hot it gets on my head. And you can do low or high. While this is going, I would normally just go ahead and do my makeup. Like I said, it's nighttime, so tonight I'm just going to sit and read a book on my Kindle while I dry my hair. I will get my hair roughly almost completely dry, and then I will round brush it out so it can be silky smooth. But yeah, this is the air hood. It looks hella crazy, but it works, and it saves me some time because I can put 2 steps into one. Alright, I'll be back in a few minutes. Alright, I just turned off my hair dryer, and I'm going to take this off. Hair is almost all the way dry. I'm going to brush it out. Alright, I'm going to go finish drying it with a round brush, and I'll be right back. After product. This is after drying with a round brush to finish it up. Highly recommend. Pick yourself one up. Mom friendly, girl friendly, busy person friendly. Get one and use it. Alright guys, until next time, remember, if you don't have anything nice to say, then shut your glad mouth.